Hello everyone and welcome to my English lesson. Yes, and today's lesson is very important for those students who are planning to go abroad because I'm going to tell you the difference between academic and general training. So listen to me attentively and remove your confusion. So first of all, it depends on why you want to go abroad, what is your purpose to go abroad. If you want to take admission in universities or want to do professional courses such as doctor and engineer, then you should go for academic training. But if your purpose is immigration, work visa or PR, then general training is the right answer. Okay, let me tell you, there are 4 components or modules in academic and general training: listening, speaking, reading and writing. And you'll be very happy to know that there's no difference between listening and speaking modules in both academic and general training. They will be similar, same. But there is subtle difference between academic reading and general reading, academic writing and general writing. Let me make it clear for you. So first of all, academic reading. Academic reading has 3 long passages with 40 questions and timing will be 60 minutes. Regarding general reading, there are 5 passages, 4 with short text and 1 will be long passage. Regarding academic writing and general writing, the difference is like task 1. For task 1 in academic writing, you have to write line graph, bar graph, pie chart or maybe diagram or map. But in general writing, you have to write just letter. It can be formal or informal. But task 2 can be similar or sometimes not same all the time. Sometimes can be similar but not all the time, because text can be like topic can be on specific topic and but in general training it can be like common topic and your texture or your style can be more general. But in academic, your style must be academic and specific, mean tone must be formal one. In general one, it can be informal, but in academic, you have to be extra careful. So I think you got the difference between the two, and this lesson would be extremely beneficial for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.